It's Pride Month, and you already know what it is. Category is Neon Realness. We went down the Trippy well and we found Alice up in here. Do you see how dynamic these neons are? Without further ado, let's get into this Trippy design. First off, I had to get perfect black and perfect white and my dotting tool, because we are making melted smiley faces, y'all. Now this is so fun because it does not have to be perfect. You can get lost in the sauce, having such a fun time creating your melted masterpiece. There is no right or wrong. This is one of those designs that you can just have so much fun with. Now I wanted to let you guys know for the month of June, I have a code that is Raven50. That is a 50% off code for all of your Madam Glam needs and wants. So you're gonna wanna run on over and take advantage of that code, because the only way that you get 50% off with Madam Glam is if you're a VIP, which the VIP program is amazing. I have been a proud member of the VIP club for 3 years now. And I generally save up banks of 4 to 6 months, and then I just shop until I drop. But being a VIP means you permanently have. So as long as you have that VIP, you get 50% off. You also get dedicated giveaways. You get product launches ahead of time. So a good 3 days before the launch, you can already purchase the collection. So you get to find out all sorts of tea, hidden information, and you just get to be the VIP you are and select colors ahead of time. So it just makes you feel all of the special. But if you don't want to do the monthly membership, then you can just use my code and still enjoy delicious 50% off. Now, the shining star of this set was the June collection, but not only that, the black gel paint. Now, this truly felt like coloring in a coloring book, but to create that extra bit of dynamic, we had to go in with the line work. The moment the line work began, this entire set came together. Now, the rest of this is going to be a watch me work, but I'll be in towards the end, and I hope that you love this trippy design.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Hey. Hey. Pleased to meet ya. Why don't I know your name? I'd like to change it. Put your picture in my frame. I know it's cheeky, but you'll be glad we met if you come with me. You'll be having no regrets. And when you're drinking my brandy and you're wearing my jammies and you're thinking with me, one day you might like the family. Did I make you smile? Cause you made my day. Come with me, I swear I'll just say that you never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You never felt so cool, never felt so ooh. Yeah, we turning up, cause this is how we do. When you're holding me, yeah, it's guaranteed. Yeah, you got that thing and that's what I need. You've never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You've never felt so good. Don't try to tell me that you've got someone else, cause I can see them. Shouldn't have to please yourself. Come back to my place, I'll treat you like a queen. God, you deserve it. Come ride my limousine when it's more than just friendly. In the back of my Bentley, and you're thanking the Lord, cause only God could have sent me. Did I make you laugh? Cause you made my day. Come with me, I swear that you'll say that you never felt so good, never felt so fine. Haven't been this happy in your whole damn life. You never felt so cool, never felt so ooh. Yeah, Yeah. We can play games in the boudoir, treat you like a superstar.
If you guys have any suggestions of art that you'd love to see with this neon collection, please comment down below. But you already know we are going to be doing it up huge for Pride, so there's going to be tons of fun designs. I love you oh so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.